What is 3/4 inch granite? 3/4 inch granite is one of the most commonly used crushed stone aggregates in the construction industry. Its angular shape allows it to lock together firmly, creating stronger and more durable concrete structures. It is widely used for concrete mixing, building foundations, columns and beams, road and highway construction, bridges and heavy infrastructure. Because of its excellent strength and drainage properties, 3/4 inch granite is the preferred choice for engineers and contractors who want long-lasting, high-quality construction. Did you know the quality of the granite used in a project can significantly affect the strength, durability, and lifespan of the finished structure? At Southern Rock Quarry and Mines, we supply premium quality 3/4 inch granite that meets the demands of residential, commercial, and large-scale infrastructure projects. Contact us today and don't forget to like, follow, and share this video.